I saw Shirley Murphy.
I did too, yeah. I saw Shirley, yeah.
It was a Shirley day.
It was a Shirley day.
You know, there's like 5 Shirleys around the area.
Oh, well, you know,
There's some at Lee Lake and Morrow Lake too. There's Shirley Teddick, Shirley Murphy, Shirley Burr, and then on Long Lake is Shirley Forrest. That's 4 right here.
Yeah.
And Shirley Nelson, that's Shirley Nelson over there. That's 5.
How many Rogers?
A few, I think.
Sams?
1.
I don't know of any Sams.
1.
How many Junes?
No, I had an Aunt June.
There's June.
And I worked with the June.
Hey June, you gotta look this way.
We're dying
Yeah.
Sam, I got a surprise for you.
What's that?
This is going video on KellyLake.net.
Is June in it with me?
Yeah, you're all on
All
here.
on there.
Except June keeps showing me her backside.
Definitely time to leave.
Well, you guys take care. Have a good one.
Well, okay, now you can videotape them as they go off into the sun.
That would be the,
Not
yeah.
the sunrise. The sun sets that way, so that direction.
Bye, guys.
Okay, I got good video.